Hi, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to make this bunny lantern for the Mid-Autumn Festival, or also known as the Mooncake Festival. Don't forget to add this battery-operated LED light or tea light and put inside your lantern. So if you like this craft, please support this channel by clicking the subscribe button and don't forget to like and share. So, let's get creative, shall we? First, we need 2 pieces of A4 size card paper. Draw a bunny, or you may also download the printable template in the description below. Following the pencil lines, put the 2 card paper and cut them together. You may do this if your cardboard is not too hard to cut. Then cut the inner lines by making a slit on the side. Then connect the slit using an adhesive tape. Then take a floral wrapping paper or a flower wrapper. Cut into half. Arrange the cutout bunnies facing each other, just as shown. Add glue around the bunnies and stick it onto the floral wrapper. The yellow color will be on the inside of the lantern. Then cut around the bunny frame. We can now add colors to our bunny lantern. Now take another card paper, measure and cut 21 cm by 7 cm. Mark 1 cm on every side. Then fold the inner lines. Then make 2 slits on each side as shown. You may also download the template in the description below. This will be used as the base for the lantern. To connect the bunnies, we need paper strips. Measure and cut 1 cm by 7 cm. Make 6 card strips. Then measure 1 cm on each side of the card strip and fold it. Then take the remaining floral wrapper and cut 6 to 7 centimeters of straight long strip. Now let's assemble the parts together. Starting with the base, cut out the corners as shown and stick it on the inner side of the lantern. Then stick the card strips on the bunny. Follow the points as shown. Now apply glue to connect the other bunny. Now take the long floral wrapper strip and measure the width on the base. Don't cut it too thin, make sure that it can cover the sides. To cover it around the lantern, apply glue on the paper strip and the sides of the bunnies. Follow the shape as you stick it. Then cut out any excess. Now let's make a paper stick by rolling the paper from the corner and add glue at the end to secure it. This will be used to hold the lantern. Now grab a string and cut your preferred length. Let's trim the stick to shorten it. Add glue and tie the string to the stick. Attach the string to the lantern. You may also use glue and adhesive tape to secure it. Finally, take your battery-operated taillights and put inside your lantern. And there you have it, your very own DIY bunny lantern for the Mid-Autumn Festival. I hope you enjoyed making this craft with us today. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye!